Today, I am embarking on one of my bucket list items, the Belmont British Pullman. Now, I would love for you to join me on this journey. Let's go. Today's itinerary is a 10-hour trip from London to the picturesque landscapes of Kent and back. This is just one of a variety of themed journeys throughout the year. Prepare yourself for a journey back to the golden age of travel. As you step onto the British Pullman, you'll be entering a different era. Each carriage is a work of art, meticulously restored to capture the elegance of the 20s and 30s. Think polished wood, vintage upholstery, and Art Deco fixtures, all with a kind of charm you don't often see anymore. Inside, the experience is pure luxury. Each carriage has its own story, named and designed uniquely, with some even featuring art commissioned by the original owners. I am very impressed to learn the artist that did the marquetry paneling also worked his craft on the Titanic. Shortly after departure, the dining experience begins. Today's journey includes breakfast, pastries, and a multi-course lunch, all prepared on board by talented chefs. Every dish is inspired by British seasonal ingredients, served with the elegance you'd expect from a fine dining restaurant, but here it's served against the backdrop of rolling countryside. The train glides smoothly through the English countryside, passing patchwork fields, charming villages, and ancient woodland. It's a moving canvas of classic England, something you can only truly appreciate from the comfort of the British Pullman. As lunch winds down, we arrive in Kent, where a 10-minute coach ride has us arriving at Herbert Hall for an afternoon of excellent organic Brut and good company. I am well impressed with the quality and generosity of each pour and recommend Herbert Hall Winery enthusiastically. As the afternoon slips away, we board the coach again to be reunited with the British Pullman and begin our return journey. Fortunately, we take the long way back, along the coast, looking out at the English Channel. We pass Dover, then later Rochester, all the while enjoying a delectable four-course meal. A pleasant surprise is the continuation of the free-flowing Herbert Hall Brut, among other excellent wine pairings. It would be remiss of me not to highlight the most impressive part of the experience aboard, the stewards. Throughout the day, excellent service is matched by warm and engaging banter and stories of passengers over the years. Mitch, the primary steward hosting me, fondly recalls acting as steward to Nelson Mandela in 1997, which he calls a highlight of his 30-year career aboard. As the lights of London begin to appear in the distance, I sense this journey is coming to an end. After a day filled with indulgence and relaxation, returning to the city feels like waking up from a dream. But that's the magic of the British Pullman. It takes you to another world, even if only for a day. Aboard the British Pullman, the journey is the destination. If you're ever in London, it's worth every moment. And I count my day aboard as one of the most exquisite travel experiences I've ever had.